Welcome to this quick video where we'll show you how to create a drop-down style for custom attributes in Okta. Let's dive right in. First, open your Okta admin console and go to Directory and then Profile Editor. Now look for the Okta User Default option and click on it. Click on the Add Attribute button to start adding a new attribute. Here, you'll need to fill in some details. Choose the data type as string. Next, give your attribute a display name, in our example, Department Select. Set a variable name, in our example, Department_Select. Next, check the box that says Define Enumerated List of Values. A new field called Attribute Members will pop up. Here, you'll define the items for your dropdown. You need to set a display name for each. This is what will show up in the dropdown menu, and also set a value for them. Lastly, there's an option for admins to make this attribute mandatory. If you tick the Attribute Required box, this attribute will show up on every new Okta user's profile when it's created. Just press Save when finished. We can see the attribute was added. Now back in Directory and then People, press on Add Person. We can see here the newly added dropdown, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.